For a very good Rottweiler, you can get from 300, 350, 600, even to 1 million naira and above 1 million naira.
This is Ekene Uzochukwu, a Nigerian student who achieved a millionaire status by breeding pure foreign dogs in Nigeria.
Rottweiler, it's so huge as you can see.
In today's video, he takes us through his ambitious journey to establish one of the largest breeding factory kennel in the country. Hey, what's up guys, it's Simon Films again and welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you a very exceptional video. Today we are at EK Kennels and we are here to interview Mr. Ekene, who started breeding dogs at a very young age. Come with me as he tells his story of breeding dogs here in the city of Jos.
Hello everyone, my name is Uzochukwu Ekene, a 200 level student of the University of Jos. I breed pure foreign dogs for security, for breeding, and for pets. I would say that EK Kennel started back then when I was in secondary school, 2013. Then actually it was my mom that started the business, and I was the one who was always taking care of them. But then I didn't have my own. I saw the positive impact on the business. I saw the creative side of the business, and I said let me give it a try, because whenever she sells, I see she makes a very huge amount of money on several occasions. So I said if I could start my own, to be a great achievement to me and people around me too. I started breeding 2019. That was a lockdown period. Then I was still working under my dad.
Was it still under the dog business?
Okay. We sell carpets. So then I was still under my dad. So I told myself one day that if I continue like this, I will not have something of my own. So on my free period, me and my friend Casey, we moved from house to house, asking people if they have puppies for sale, because then we started from the marketing aspect of the business. So from there we get our own commission. When you help them sell, then you are entitled to commission, like your own percent from the business. So we started from there. Then I saved up money through the marketing and I got my own breed. I got a Caucasian at first. Then from there I got other breeds too. Yes, so that's how it started, and here we are now. I have like 4 different breeds. I have Rottweiler, I have Caucasian, I have Saint Bernard, I have Lhasa. Yes, those are the major breeds I have now.
Well, can you show us around? So guys, I'm sorry, there'll be a lot of noise here because of the dogs. Pardon with us, we have to show you. So what breed is this?
Yeah, this is
a Rottweiler. Yeah. Can you tell us a little about the dog?
A Rottweiler is a aggressive and fierce dog.
Aggressive?
Yes, but depending on how you train it, you can train it to be aggressive, you can train it to be calm, and for security, for breeding too. Yes.
It says calm, but it's aggressive.
No, this one is not aggressive, this one is calm. Yes. It's calm. You can touch it.
It's looking at my hand. She's afraid.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a female dog.
Yes, this is a female.
Okay. So, like for a dog like this, how much does it cost?
For a puppy, around 300, 350.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I think. What breed is this?
Saint Bernard.
Saint Bernard. Wow. So most of these dogs, are they imported?
Yes, most of them are imported. Yes, they're imported. But they do breed them in Nigeria.
Okay. Can I touch? Wow. It looks so cute and clean. Yeah. I like how your dogs are clean. I can see the environment too. As you can see. Wow. This is very cute, guys. What breed is this?
This is a Lhasa.
A Lhasa Apso.
Yes, a Lhasa.
So what about this dog? Comes only in white?
Yeah, it comes in white, it comes in black, it comes in brown, it comes in multicolored, like white with touch of brown, black with touch of white, brown with white, or brown with blue. Yes. And they are for mostly pet dogs.
Pet dog. So they can keep them at home.
Yeah, you can keep them at home, you can use them for breeding. Yeah, but we use these ones for breeding. Yes,
Is this a big dog?
Yes.
So they don't grow?
A year plus.
A year plus.
Yes, this is their size.
Oh, they don't grow more than this?
Yes, this is their size.
Okay.
They're made for storage services, mating.
This is like Lhasa, the one you showed me there.
Yes.
But it's not scary at that one.
No, with time. These are just 3 weeks puppies. So with time you see their furs and their hairs. Yes.
So how old do they get before you sell them?
At the age of 6-7 weeks. Yes, we can still leave them like 8 or 3 months, 2 months, depending on when I want to sell. Yes.
But can someone buy it at this stage?
No.
Okay.
No. It's not advisable you buy at this stage. It's till like 6 weeks after their vaccination. Their first vaccine. Yes.
Like an average dog, the one you showed us, the Rottweiler. Like how often do you vaccinate them?
At puppy stage, we give them their first shot of the vaccine at 6 weeks to 7 weeks. We give them their first vaccine. Then we give an interval of 2 weeks. Then we give at 6 or 9 weeks the second shot. Then the last vaccine, you can either give an interval of 1 month or that same 2 weeks. Then at the age of 7 months, 8, 9, or 1 year, you can give them their anti-rabies. And that anti-rabies is yearly. We give them every year, once every year. Yes.
What do you do like when it comes to breeding? How do you breed your dogs?
Okay.
To multiply them?
We offer stored services.
What's stored?
That's a mating.
Okay,
Yes.
mating. Okay.
You can bring your female, then we use our stored males to cross for. You can either do puppy deal or payoff. Yes. So we cross for people. We cross here too, and we can also cross for you. My prices are quite affordable. Like I said, the prices of dog depend on the breed, the quality of the dog too as well. Like for a Caucasian dog, you can get a very good one. If it's a female, you can get from 150, 200, 250, thereabouts. And the males too, you can get for that same amount. Yes, and for a German too, a German is quite expensive. You can get a very good German from 300, 350, 400, depending on the quality. Then from other breeds too, like our pet dogs, those ones are quite cheap. You can get a very good Lhasa Apso for like 70, 80 for a female. Then the males are cheaper than the female. Then for a very good Rottweiler, you can get from 300, 350, 600, even to 1 million naira and above 1 million naira, depending on the quality and all.
Are these the dogs you started with? Or you've been reselling and getting them again?
The dogs I keep in my kennel are strictly for myself. I don't sell them.
Oh.
Yes, I don't sell them. I use them for both storage services, like I mentioned earlier, and I use them for breeding. Like I cross them, then once they give birth, I nurture their puppies, then sell at 6-7 weeks. Yes, and over the years I've lost many. So that's why I said currently these are just the breeds I have on ground. Yes.
So what is the least a dog can give birth to?
Okay, for a Lhasa.
Oh, so it depends on the breed too?
Yes, it depends on the breed. Okay. So for a Lhasa, those are small breeds. So from 1, 2, 3 to almost 6, 7 or 8.
Have you encountered one before?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Then for a German, from 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11.
Then for a Neapolitan Mastiff, those are large breeds too. Their puppies are from 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Yes, and I've seen a Caucasian that gave birth to 23, 22,
Wow.
yes, and 25. Yes, here in Jos.
As a dog breeder here in the city of Jos, especially, what are the major challenges you face in breeding dogs?
The major challenge is the Nigerian economy. The Nigerian economy is harsh. We know how things are increasing,
that's true.
both their feed, their vaccines, their medication. It's not really easy, but we do our best to give our customers the best. And for their disease, we have the leptovirus and the parvovirus too. That's like the main.
So the disease that attack the dogs.
Yes, yes. That's one of our main challenges. Yes.
So with these diseases, they affect dogs, and you do lose some dogs.
Yes, very well.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and he has actually said a lot in this video, and I hope you learn from his story of how he started his dog, and you can see how well these dogs are doing. And also, I'll leave his contact on the screen if you want to patronize him. EK Kennels, I'll drop his number below the video and also in the description so that you can patronize him. Tell them to come and buy dogs.
Come and buy dogs for the love of dogs.
Yes. So if you enjoyed this video, do all to leave a like, share and subscribe.
Please like, share, comment, get engaged.
Yes. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, comment with a thumbs up in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.